We have some big news coming in. Former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy makes serious allegations against ADGP Alok Mohan. Alok Mohan is ADGP Prisons. H.D. Kumaraswamy says, and I quote, Alok Mohan can take revenge against me but not against people. Alok Mohan had asked me to make him Bengaluru Commissioner. I had denied him Bengaluru Police Commissioner's post. Alok Mohan is taking revenge against me. This is the big news we're currently tracking at this moment. Do remember, Alok Mohan had ordered Padarayanapura violence accused to be shifted to Ramanagara jail, and now former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy making serious allegations against ADGP, saying that he can take revenge against me since I had denied the Bengaluru Police Commissioner's post to him, but he must not take revenge against the people. H.D. Kumaraswamy also had recommended the state government to ensure COVID-19 does not spread further in Ramanagara, since two accused in Padarayanapura case who were shifted to Ramanagara jail had tested positive. Let's take a listen to Mr. Kumaraswamy.
ನಾನು ಈ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ ದಿನದಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. 2 ಬಾರಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದೆ, ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಹೋಮ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಯಾರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಒಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋರು, ಯಾರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಲಹೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ರಾಮನಗರ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಲಹೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂತ ಮಾಹಿತಿ. ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಪ್ಪನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ರಾಮನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾರು ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ADGP ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್, ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿನೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಲೆಟ್ರನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಅವತ್ತು ಸಹ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಿಂದ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಝೋನ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಪಾದರಾಯನಪುರ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸರ್ಕಾರವೇ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೇಳಿದಂಥದ್ದೇನಿದೆ. ಇಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ರಾಮನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಾ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 1,500 ಬೆಡ್ಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಐಸೋಲೇಷನ್ ಬೆಡ್ಗಳು ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸೂಕ್ತ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು, ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಮಾತು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಾವು ಒಪ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಂಥ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಂತರ ಈ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸಲಹೆ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ದಾರಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿದಂಥ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ ದಾರಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ತಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರು, ರಾಮನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Let's go across to my colleague Pratibha, who joins us live from the newsroom with more inputs on it. Well, Pratibha, serious allegations coming in from the former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy, who's now trading his guns against ADGP, saying that he's taking revenge against him since he had denied Bengaluru City Police Commissioner's post, but he must not take revenge against the people of Ramanagara.
Well, absolutely, Neha. Now, if we just take a look at what's happening currently in Ramanagara. Now the transfer of these Padarayanapura accused to the Ramanagara jail has now taken a political turn. In fact, it has now blown into a full-blown political war. Now the former Chief Minister Kumaraswamy has firstly questioned the rationale behind this shifting of these people to the Ramanagara jail, because we know that several of these people who were in Padarayanapura, who were accused of the violence, who accused of attacking the healthcare workers, are at a high risk of contracting COVID-19, and that's the reason why they were being taken to a quarantine facility as well. That's when the violence broke out in Padarayanapura. So it's a well-known fact that they are at a very high risk of contracting COVID-19, and despite that they have been taken to Ramanagara, a district where until now there were 0 cases. Now 2 of the accused have tested positive, so this has triggered panic, but it has also taken a political color, and now clearly it has also taken a very personal touch, with the former Chief Minister saying that this is revenge against him. Now, if we cut back to 2018, when Kumaraswamy was the Chief Minister of Karnataka, when the police commissioner of Bengaluru had to be appointed, there were a few names that were doing the rounds. Among several names that were doing the rounds, like Kumaraswamy mentioned, Alok Mohan was the senior most policeman at the time, so his name was also floated around. Speculations were rife that Alok Mohan would be made the Bengaluru city commissioner as well, and he was the senior most officer at the time. At the time, he was the ADGP of ACB. He's a 1987 batch IPS officer, so he was a senior most at the time, which is why there were speculations that he would be made the Bengaluru commissioner. So there is some truth to what Kumaraswamy is saying, that there were talks that he would become the commissioner of Bengaluru. It's a very coveted post as well, so there was a lot of lobbying for the same. Whether any truth to it that he had asked Kumaraswamy for the post or not, we don't know yet. But at the time there were talks that he could be the commissioner of Bengaluru, and the post of Bengaluru commissioner is something that does not just have the criteria of being senior most, but also it's privy to the chief minister, which means the chief minister of the state gets to decide. It is completely his prerogative to decide who becomes the commissioner of Bengaluru. So Kumaraswamy now claims that Alok Mohan wanted to be the commissioner of Bengaluru, but he lost out on that post, which is why he had a grudge against Kumaraswamy, which he has been carrying until now, and now that he got the chance is taking revenge. So these are some very serious allegations that he is making against the ADGP. He is the ADGP of prisons. Several questions have also been raised on why the Karnataka government decided to transfer these accused to Ramanagara when they could have been housed in Bengaluru itself. So, there are several unanswered questions from the government side as well. Who had advised the government to transfer these people to Ramanagara? Was there no facility available in Bengaluru at all? These accused have not been tested as well, so they are at an extremely high risk. So, by taking this decision, which is quite risky, the state government has also put to risk not just the officials who are taking them, but also the police officials who are involved, the Bengaluru police who took them to Ramanagara. Now, while they are housed at Ramanagara, the police officials, the jail officials at Ramanagara as well. So this is something that is an extremely high risk that the Karnataka government has taken. So no doubt it has raised several questions, but this has taken a political turn with Kumaraswamy now saying that this is revenge against me, and this was because of this ADGP prisons, because he was not made the Bengaluru commissioner. He wanted to take revenge against me, saying even if he wants, let him do that to me, but not to the people of Ramanagara. So, this is a claim that needs to be verified, but more importantly, it also underlines the kind of anger that is present in Ramanagara as well. There are several people who are questioning the rationale behind this transfer of these accused to Ramanagara, a district that had 0 cases until now. And, if we talk about the healthcare officials, at least they have been equipped with the protective gear that has been given. But what about the jail officials? So by shifting them to Ramanagara, no doubt the state government would have taken enough precautionary measures, but for the jail officials in Ramanagara jail, as well as with no answers coming forth on what was the reason for this shift, there are several questions that still remain unanswered, which is why there is such a gloom around it. And that's the reason why now Kumaraswamy has also said that he will also be going to Ramanagara himself. He would be taking a look at the situation in a crisis like this, where the entire state is battling the pandemic. This is a kind of a political controversy that could have been avoided. Perhaps a little more clarity from the state government will ensure that this controversy ends. But for now, Kumaraswamy has said that he will go there and protest as well, asking some pointed questions to the Chief Minister, Neha.